Before Cami can be used in Schoology, teachers must first add the extension to the Google Chrome browser. When ready, open the Google Chrome browser and click on Apps in the upper left corner. Click Web Store. Using the search field, type Cami and press Enter. To the right of the search field, browse for and click on Cami extension, PDF, and document annotation. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Before you use the Cami app in Schoology, you must first activate it. Be sure to view the Activate the Cami extension video.